Hello, everybody. Good morning and happy Wednesday. Whoop, whoop. Let's see what this beautiful market has to offer us today. We've certainly had some expansion to the upside, which is cool. And yeah, let's see if we have any options for this this morning session. I'll be doing the full Bybit scan, and with a particular emphasis on this. Everyone's saying crypto's going to new all-time highs, but I'm going to show you how we use the cradle zone to just get a gauge of what's happening and where we're at in the market. And it's really important to do these scans because it is what keeps you in flow, keeps you in sync, and all that stuff. So I'm seeing a little bit of selling coming in here in Bitcoin, which is cool. Let's see what's out there. All right, Bitcoin, here we go. Now, solely focusing on the cradle zone. Also, our other strategies like the breakout strategy, Fibonacci booster, you learn if you do our courses. So I might just touch on those in this scan, but I will not go into depth in them. Also, if you don't have a Bybit account, go on and open one and deposit some funds in there because they are a great exchange. Now let's have a look at this list and see if we can find anything to trade. I am so motivated to trade. I'm keen to trade. Let's see what's out there. All right. Now, I'm just going to fix up this stuff here. Okay, so we see Bitcoin pulling into the monthly cradle zone there. It looks very, very nice. So at the moment, it looks like a monthly pullback. Still got so much more of the month left to see how that candle closes. We do have this really nice high low that's set up here on the daily. Look, boom, pull back to 40,000 and then whoosh, up we go. So really with Bitcoin, we are coming up to some key levels that we obviously rejected. So let's see us smash through that key level and head up to the next key level, which would probably be around here at 45,000, which is probably more, yeah, probably around here. Hit that key level, and the next real key level after that is 52,000, I think. Yeah, it is. So, yeah, nothing for us to trade there yet on Bitcoin. I'll have a look at these lower time frames. Look at the 2. Oh, so getting some really nice cyclicity coming in on the 2 and the 1. The 15 and the 30, nothing really there. Maybe a pullback on the 15 through here. Maybe I'll pop that in just to have a look. Just make sure that pink list is clear. It is, yeah. So yeah, maybe some lower time frame trades today. We'll have a look. I do love a lower time frame trade. Same here on Ethereum. Look at this. 15, pull back into the cradle zone, bounce off that level. Outstanding. And again, here in Ethereum, we do have some key levels to clear. And these are the key levels through here. Yes, they are. And we'll see what happens there. Or maybe up through here. More of a level up through there, really. So yeah, that's about right. All right, so Ethereum. Let's have a look at the 15 and the 30. Again, pullbacks here on the 15, but not enough cyclicity there for me to warrant putting it in the list. Bit USDT. Bucking the trend here a bit of green. Again, very messy here on the 15. On the 4, sorry. We've just gone straight up, so there's going to be no cradle trades there for me yet, but hit the 30. Hit the 15, too messy. Next, Sol. Yeah, Sol. Still short on the 2-day. Is anything there? Not really on the 4. Have a look at the 2. Have a look at the 1. Nothing there. It's just kind of gone sideways then gone up. I'm really keen to see how this buying holds up. Do we see more of consolidation kind of price action, which we've seen in the last couple of weeks? We see up, down, or what's happening? What is happening? XRP. Nice flat level forming there on the 4, on the 2. Let's have a look at the 30. Let's have a look at the 15. Next. Nothing there. ADA. Nothing there for us on ADA. So we're still kind of mid-move on a lot of these. Look at the 30, look at the 15. Oh, there is a flat level there, which I'll put in the community later on. Not gonna, if you know our breakout strategy, you'll know how to approach flat levels. If you want to learn the breakout strategy, join our community. We love having new people. Okay, Litecoin. A few flat levels forming, aren't there? But nothing to write home about cyclicity-wise. SHIB, next. Have a look at the 8, have a look at the 12. Now, keep in mind, while we do this scan, we're dispelling those myths. Everyone's saying, you know, we've had some green candles going to all-time highs, this, that. Market's going to crater because of a war, because of interest rate hikes. I don't take any of that into account in our trading. You can, but we just look at the chart. And the chart's like, look, I'm undecided. And undecided generally means a consolidating market. That's really what I'm seeing. Look at the 2, have a look at the 1. Nothing really there for us on Link. Doge, the same. And I just want to be trading when there are trends, when I can see price trending on the 4 as well, so dipping in and out of that cradle zone. FDM, nothing to write home about really. AVAX just powering on, isn't it? Wow, look at that. Look at that candle there. Oh, 15%. Yes, Roger. What about from those lows? Jeez, I should have just bet the farm on that. Anyway, looking good. How far is AVAX from its highs? Not too far. 36%. Something closer to its highs than it is to its lows. But nothing there, just a straight move up, no cyclicity. Mana, kicking the trend, bucking the trend, sorry. Nothing really to write home about. Chili's, no. LRC, no. OMG. A lot of these 4-hour trends, they haven't come to, they haven't started cycling yet. Some really nice cyclicity here on Algo. Oop. Very nice cyclicity. Haba just gone straight up. No, I'm going to leave that. XTZ. So really wanting to see this price action either push on and pull back, or push on hard, like see some really big green days and hit those lower time frames. Till see then, there's not much out there. Again, we've had some fabulous trades over January and the better part of Feb. So I'm not really interested in I'm not interested in taking average trades. Been trading well so far this year. I don't want to change that. A lot of these contracts, these green candles have just been a little blip. So it hasn't really meant that much. XLM. Atom. EOS, no. Comp. Yeah, I'm waiting for that pullback so we can get that nice cyclicity returning to the charts. Had some good shorts on, had some good setups on Woo last year, but nothing there. again, guys, I'm not interested in giving profits back to the market. I'm interested in preserving those profits that I've made over January and the better part of this month. The way I do that is just by taking good trades. It's pretty simple. Pretty simple stuff. A bit of a trend here for me on the 4 on Gala. It's just, no. Crow, no. Bit USD, no. Maybe another quiet morning session like yesterday. Oh, dusk. Just enlarge that for a second. Have a look at dusk here. We are pulling into the cradle zone. Wow, hitting some levels of resistance through here as well. That actually doesn't look too bad, guys. I'm going to pop that in. I don't mind trading long or short. The setup just needs to be good. Just harvesting profits. Harvesting profits so I can stack more sats. That's what my strategy is. What's your strategy? What is your strategy for taking full advantage of this market? And then back to the top. So quite a quick scan. Market's still trying to work out what it's doing. Let's have a look. Bitcoin. Bit of an expansion up to the upside. Hit the 1, 30, 15. Would I trade that on the 15? No, not for me. Now on to ETH. Bitcoin just stays on this because it's Bitcoin. Now on to ETH. The 4, the 2, the 30 to the 15. Maybe a pullback here on the 15 would be great. Into the cradle zone. 100% that'd be good. So definitely stalking that. BNB, flat level there. For those of you in your communities, you know what to do with that. In our community, you know what to do with that flat level on BNB falling. Get another high low below there. You could definitely employ our breakout strategy. Onto algo. Yeah, again, a pullback here on algo to a flat level would be great. So just waiting for that to come to fruition. And then dusk, a trade to the short side. Let's have a look on the daily. Okay, so one that might take a bit longer to set up, but we do have this cyclicity to the downside. And if we do get a bearish candle off this level, see how exact that level is. It's not the most precise of levels. It isn't. But there is a level there. Really want it to close below that level. Winston, hello. How are you, mate? Hope you're well. Yeah, if we get a bearish candle off that level or below it, it'd be a good short. It'd be a good short setup as well. That's definitely one to keep an eye on. To just see how it sets up. That's a scan, guys. So not much out there for this morning session, but yeah, look, the market's consolidating. It'll go up, it'll come down, and we're definitely not in a raging bull market, and we're definitely not in a raging bear either. We're crab walking, which is absolutely fine. The market's entitled to do whatever she does. I hope you're all well, and as always, safe trading. Thanks, everyone.